Good morning, everyone. And today I will tell you that how you have to speak in English language if you are from village. See, there are so many plants and trees. I am on my room. You can see, and my sister is helping me to shoot this video. And in today's video, my motive is to make this video is that if you are from village and if you have no one whom you can do practice, so don't worry, you can become fluent in English. And if for someone is means like you are thinking that I can speak in English language, but you are still right now in dilemma that should I start my speaking practice or not, because I am from village. And if anyone, anyhow, if anyone, if my neighbor listen me that I am speaking in English, I am trying to speak in English, definitely, like they will make job come here, they will make jokes and they will do this, that, and etc. So I want to tell you, they don't know in which situation you are. They don't know in which situation your parent is going on. You are like very well aware about this thing, that in which situation your parent is and how they are collecting money for your study. So in this world you can do anything and do hard work. If you do hard work, you will really get the thing. And see, like if I talk about myself, so when I was learning English, see, like so many people came. I am also from village, so so many people came and they were saying that she could not learn English, she is in this condition, that, and etc. But I had believe in myself that I could do, means I could do better in my life. And you can see, I am trying to help people, means whatever I have learned, I want to share and I want to learn from people. So if you want to do something better, if you want to fulfill the desire of your parents, and if you really want to do something enormous, don't listen the people, listen yourself. And you have much capability. Like we think, no, I cannot do because I am from village area, if people listen then what they will say, and my parents are uneducated. If your parents are uneducated, so why are you connecting your parent in your life? Like your parent, they want that you do great so that they can pride their head. And you can do, you have capability, but you will have to work on it. Until or unless you will not work, you will not get the thing. And I would like to tell you here one thing. If you are beginner, if you are from village area, don't worry, start speaking and you will become fluent. Because in this world, for you who you are, think you are human being and you should be happy. You should, like too much happy, and you are so fortunate that you have taken born in this family, and you have these circumstances. Because when you will have overcome out from this, and when you will have gotten success, so you will have your own story, and you will be telling at a front of people, so people will be listening you. And they will, like through your success journey, so many people life can change. Because like I have watched English with Dihati ma'am video, so like I have improved myself, means I have improved myself. And I want to tell you that you can also do better and do hard work in your life. And until or unless you will not do hard work, you cannot get anything.